bakery fair is rising, shining brighter and better than ever. As we gather to celebrate the largest assembly of local and foreign counterparts of Filipino-Chinese Bakery Association, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Philippines. Welcome to our 14th Bakery Fair 2025. This event is not just a celebration of bread, cakes, and pastries. It is a testament to our unwavering faith and unity to remain steadfast in our mission and commitment to empower and uplift the entire baking industry and contribute to the nation's growth.
Stick around for Bake It Easy, mastering delicious creations with easy bread. Get ready for more delicious insights with The Sweet Touch. Master the art of sugar decorating and baking. Brought to us by Sugar King Food Industries, Inc. Transform your big creations into edible masterpieces with expert sugar decorators from Sugar King Food Industries.
Good morning, Audrey. Good morning, Jamie.
These chefs are among the top names in sugar artistry, each with prestigious awards and years of experience in cake decorating.
Very basic. So you want to combine this mixture.
And that brings us to the end of FCBAI Bakery Fair Philippines 2025. A huge thank you to all our incredible speakers, bakers, and chefs for sharing their knowledge and passion with us. We'd also like to extend our deepest gratitude to all of our sponsors and guests for making this event truly unforgettable. Your support helps us continue to grow and inspire the future of baking. We hope you've learned, created, and been inspired. Until next time, keep baking, keep innovating, and keep shining.